This is a cool night, and today's video I'll teach you a cool thing, which is web development. So hello guys, I'm Satyajit Singh, and in today's video I'll tell you an interesting video based on web development, and in today's video we'll do CSS colors. It is an exciting thing and I love CSS, So I thought, why not to start with this? HTML is a basic thing you can learn from yourself. It is nothing in HTML. Just paragraph, the H1, the H2, and so on. Okay, so I'm using basically the Visual Studio Code, and it's very easy to use. I'll show you. Like I have index1.html, so I'll write here HTML. And you have all types of HTML, HTML5, HTML, HTML, XML. So in HTML, you will get this simple, which I don't want. You have to write the body and everything. In HTML, XML, it is like this. I don't like it even. I like HTML5. I'll show you. See, HTML5. Everything has been made already. You have to just write a content and style it. So I'll tell you what is CSS used for. Like you build your house, right? You have put the bricks, okay? You have put the cement, but your house doesn't look nice. Why it doesn't look? Because the colors are not there, the styling is not there. So CSS does the same thing in here. That's why I've taken CSS and I love CSS. Okay, so let's start the video. And I'll basically write some content. So I'll write dummy text, which is Lauren. Okay, let's take more Lauren. So I think female will be all right. Yeah, okay. Let's see who, yeah. And I will write B. And I'll close it here. Then I'll take, let's take it above. I'll take an H1 and I'll write here hello CSS. Sorry. Yeah. Perfect. Let's save, and I have the live server. How you can install the live server, I'll tell you. You have to go in here, extensions, okay? And here you have to search for live server. You will automatically get it. This one, okay? So I have my live server, so I don't need to install it. I'll click, right click in an open space and right click, and I will have an option of open with live server. I'll click on it. Okay. Service is started at port 5500, so it will take a little bit time, but it will come. You have to wait. And it has come, as you can see. All right. So now, oh, mosquito. Masti kar raha mere saath. Okay. So I will go full screen and we'll write under the head style. Okay. And in here I will write, you can take capital or small also. I'll take small. And if there is any error, like contact us has an error, so it will show red in color and 2. Okay. So this is why I'm using this Visual Studio Code, or Notepad is not so good, Atom also not greater than Visual Studio Code. So here I'll write, you have to name the extension, or I mean name what you are styling, like P, and you have to put curly brackets. Okay, and inside it I'll take some colors, like I will take color, like you write colors and see how many colors has come. I'll click on it and I have many colors. So what should I take? You can write in the comment box. It is not the live video, but you write your favorite color and I will use in the next video. Okay, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share the video, because this video is very important. So I'll take my favorite color, which is red, and I will save it, and I will go to my Chrome, and it is reloading, and you will see that it is changing red in color. Let me move my video. Let's go side. Yeah, as you can see now. Now you think that you have simple colors, so it is not looking like so good. So for that, RGB comes. RGB full form is red, green, and blue. So as you click on this red color, you will have this. Okay, so I'll pick my favorite color, which is this, between blue and green. Yeah, I've got it. 90. Yes, you can see red is 11, green is this 247, and B is 156. Okay, so I'll save it and let's check it how it is looking. It is with a flags, but I'll change the background to some dark color, the whole screen background. So for that, this paragraph and H1 comes under body. So let's change the body color, background color. Okay, so I write here body, curly brackets, and I'll write here background color, and I'll take let's take black, and we'll just then adjust in the RGBA. So what I can take, this one. Okay, let's see and check. Perfect. Now hello CSS we have to make, right? So I'll take H1 knee, and let's put color, and let's take what we can take. Something light. So what we have in light, let's me write RGBA. Okay, no, not RGBA, I've taken it wrong. So I'll do Control Z, RGB. Oh, it is not coming. Acha, uske liye to kuch aur chahiye tha. Okay, I just forgot one thing, guys. Yeah, so this symbol you can use and write, and you can write any color like D 9, A 7. I'm just experimenting, nothing in real. And 2 D. No. G, no, F. Now let's see. Yeah. And I'll do a bit of alignment. So I'll take text, align. Where is text line? Here it is, text line. Center. This P also. Text, align, center. And after, when this CSS will be done, we'll do bootstrap. It is very interesting. I like that also. It is my favorite part. Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, it is in the middle. It is nice. Okay, so now what we can do, we can add background colors to it. But I'll not add. It will not look nice because we have already a background color. Okay, so I think this is enough, and let's take a website by which, and one more thing guys, I'll take a gradient background color. Okay, so for that you have go to any website, like I'll write gradient CSS background. Yeah, so we will have background colors, very nice, which will be gradient. So you gradients, yeah, I remember the website, thankfully. You gradients, come on, come quickly. Yeah. How many this video is going on? I don't know that. I don't have the watch. I have an invisible watch. I can see it. Okay, come quick. You gradients. No man. Summer is not nice. Let's click on show all gradients. Wait. Yeah. And let's see which your no. ये अबे ये कैसा आ गया? कोई बात नहीं. Let's take a nice one and such a nice one. Yeah. I got nice. See this one. So you have to now click on this, get CSS, and click to copy. And now for the background color. And when I will done this, I'll end the video. Paste. Done. Done. Okay, now let's check the background. Oh, yeah, this is my background. Oh boy, this is coming very nice here. बस थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देता हूँ मैं. किसका इसका ना? हाँ. 1 minute guys. It is looking so nice here. मेरा मन खुश हो गया. Color. अरे कलर नहीं, कलर. हाँ. Salmon दे देते. Okay. Aja. Perfect. So here comes the end of my video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video and click on the bell icon to all. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, and in the next video I will do I'll tell you in the video only. Okay, bye. Oh no, it's time for the Vivo IPL. Sunrise is heading over to Kolkata Network. I have to go. Bye. Thank you.